This is the transmission line impedance interactive calculator, which determines the characteristic impedance and related parameters for various transmission line configurations. Let's start with our drop-down menu. You can select from 5 transmission line types: microstrip line, strip line, coaxial cable, twisted pair, or parallel wire. For this demonstration, I'll use microstrip line. The input fields for microstrip are trace width W in millimeters, substrate height H in millimeters, trace thickness T in millimeters, and relative permittivity epsilon R. Now for our worked example, I'll enter a trace width of 0.5 millimeters, substrate height of 1.6 millimeters, trace thickness of 0.035 millimeters, and relative permittivity of 4.4. After clicking Calculate Impedance, we get 4 key results. The characteristic impedance Z0 is 108.17 ohms, which determines signal reflection behavior. The effective permittivity epsilon F is 3.015, showing how the dielectric affects the electromagnetic field. The propagation velocity is 1.726 times 10 to the 8th meters per second, or 57.6% of light speed. The status indicates within typical PCB range, confirming these parameters are suitable for standard circuit board applications. Ready to calculate your own transmission line parameters? Find the link in the description below.